making lemon chicken rigatoni. Hey everyone, welcome back to Food and Fun. Today, we've got something really special for you, lemon chicken rigatoni. This dish is perfect for a weeknight dinner or when you're just craving some hearty Italian flavors with a citrus twist. Let's get right into it. Here's what you'll need for this delicious dish. Ingredients: 1 pound rigatoni pasta, 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 lemon, 3 cloves garlic, 1/4 cup olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, 1/4 cup fresh basil, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. Cooking segment. Step 1. Cook pasta. First off, we'll boil our rigatoni pasta until it's al dente, following the package instructions. Drain and set aside. Step 2. Marinate chicken. While the pasta's cooking, let's marinate the chicken. In a bowl, mix the chicken with half of the lemon zest, lemon juice, garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Step 3. Cook chicken. Now, heat up some olive oil in a skillet, add the chicken, and cook until it's browned and cooked through. Step 4. Add tomatoes and garlic. Once the chicken is done, we'll add in the rest of the garlic and the cherry tomatoes. Just cook it until the tomatoes start to soften. Step 5. Combine. Time to bring it all together. Add your cooked rigatoni to the skillet and give it a good toss. 6. Final seasoning. To finish it off, we'll add the remaining lemon zest and juice and give it a final stir. Step 7. Garnish. And finally, let's garnish this beauty with some freshly chopped basil and a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan. There you have it, folks, a delicious plate of lemon chicken rigatoni that's sure to impress. If you try this recipe, don't forget to tag us on social media. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy cooking